Now for a look at the latest health and lifestyle news. Here's Pauline Chan.
It is a common problem in the summer, sunburns, especially on those who spend a lot of time outdoors. Redheads, people with freckles, and blondes are known to be more vulnerable, but even people with darker skin need to take care. We Canadians sure treasure the sunny days of summer, and usually people are pretty good about using sunscreen, but every now and then you miss a spot.
The scalp is one that people often forget, so if they have like a severe part in the scalp in women, or those men who haven't quite realized that they're losing their hair yet, tips of the ears, the sides of the face where people, they sort of put it on, they don't want to get it right up to their hair, and we do see a lot of skin cancers that appear in those areas later down the line.
Lips are another vulnerable spot, as are the back of the hands and tops of feet. Dr. Julia Carroll points out reggae star Bob Marley died of skin cancer that started on his toes. Which brings her to another reminder, even people with dark skin need to use sun protection.
Yeah, they can still get a sunburn and they can still get skin cancer.
19-year-old Navneet Bajwa just suffered her first sunburn at a Sikh parade in May.
I wasn't wearing any sunblock, and when I got home, like, oh my gosh, what happened to my back? Because it was burned really bad.
As a child, she says her mother would slather her with sunscreen, but lately she hasn't been using it, and she suffered the consequences.
Cool compresses can help, and Advil is helpful. And then, if it's really, really inflamed, you can get an over-the-counter cortisone. That will help take the sting out of the burn.
Sometimes burns can even result in blisters. Make sure you don't pop them or they could get infected. As for the over-the-counter relief products, Dr. Carroll says beware of those with the word cane in the name.
Solar cane would be one, and those are trying to numb or help the sting. I actually don't like those because I think they can be really irritating, especially for one of those open severe burns.
She says gels with ingredients like aloe vera are usually better to keep the skin cool. Almost 82,000 Canadians are diagnosed annually with non-melanoma skin cancers, the most common cancer diagnosis. Melanoma, the deadliest form of skin cancer, is diagnosed in about 6,000 Canadians annually, with more than 1,000 deaths from melanoma each year. With today's Lifetime, I'm Pauline Chan.